Hello guys, welcome to the new gadget. Today I'm gonna show you best 5 dash cam.
Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video card dash camera with new advanced features that can keep ahead of its competitors. Can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p. Super night vision technology with a new advanced Sony Starvis sensor helps to get unmatched clear footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. Using the app, you can download the recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route in the tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving locations and speed, such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry. Auto-triggered parking mode makes the dashcam go into parking mode automatically when your car engine shuts off, G-sensors, loop cycle recording, 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, time-lapse video, slow motion video, emergency video lock, and ensures an extended storage capacity by supporting up to 512 gigabytes Class 10 U3 speed micro SD card. You will get an advanced 4K video card dash camera that has a meticulously designed hardware and a custom designed beautiful firmware. We provide free firmware upgrades, free iOS and Android app updates, free GPS player for PC and Mac. Rove R2 4K has so many advanced state-of-the-art features and technology packed in a single unit, where R2 4K is all you need that won't break your bank.
Zava Dual Dash Cam. Dash cameras capture every detail of the road in crystal clear clarity. Best choice for Uber, taxis, ride-share or Lyft drivers. Dual industry-leading Sony sensor lens and 4 infrared LEDs take videos and pictures with HD clarity, even clearly capturing license plates at night or in low light conditions. 8-man mini dash cam, self-development and brand new design. C420 continues the lightweight, mini design of the previous version. It can be perfectly hidden behind the rear mirror. The appearance, texture and the upgrade of the button make the product feel more comfortable. The operation is still simple and friendly to new users. 1080p high definition and night vision. 1080p recording and advanced sensor ensure full high definition recording during the day and night. Equipped with a wide-angle camera of 170 degrees, it captures every detail on the way. 24/7 reassuring all-weather monitoring. The car recorder includes motion detection and parking monitoring. It automatically starts recording when it detects a collision or shakes, providing you with security every moment. Loop recording and G-sensor. When these two functions are turned on, the dashcam overwrites the oldest videos to ensure continuous recording. When a shock or collision is detected, the camera will lock the current video and prevent it from being overwritten.
The camera records at an impressive 4K Ultra HD resolution with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view. With today's most advanced image sensor, it provides up to 4 times more image clarity than previous generations. The V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. Rather than use a standard lithium-ion battery, the Rexing V1 camera is powered by a supercapacitor to guarantee you long-term reliability in even the most extreme temperatures. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. And sharing your footage has never been easier, thanks to the camera's built-in Wi-Fi. The Rexing app interface allows you to quickly and easily transfer your clips directly to your phone or tablet. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.
TowGuard backup camera for cars. 7 inches IPS touchscreen and 1080p FHD, dual car cam simultaneous recording in 1080p front car camera view and 480p waterproof rear cam, ensuring get the best footage even at night. 7-inch touchscreen provides wide visual angle which makes it clearer to view video. backup camera kit for safe parking. Connect the red wire from the rear camera to the reversing light. The image of rear car camera will automatically switch over the full view and trigger park assist blinds of dash cam for parking when the R gear engaged. Parking monitor and G sensor, triggered by the parking monitor. Car cam will automatically record when parking. G sensor of dash cam will auto lock recorded video in car camera when detecting collision, which provides powerful evidence in case of a dispute.